This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I'll show how you can fix slow system issues on this device. So if you would like to improve your phone's performance and productivity, I recommend that you start by offloading or clearing your RAM cache. So open the list of recent or background active/background running apps and close them all. Then you might also want to try cleaning up your storage. The easiest way to do that is to open the My Files app from, Samsung. Here, go into the Manage Storage option. And now over there, it should suggest all possible storage optimizations or all the improvements that you can make or that you can apply, which will not only free up some storage space, but also will improve your performance in a positive way. Affect your performance in a positive way. What you can do on top of that is to go into Settings, Device Care, then open the performance profile and make sure to set it to the standard. Since, as you can see, the standard profile provides the recommended balance between processing speed, battery life, and cooling efficiency, so you'll get better performance this way. You might also want to go into auto optimization and set it up. The final advice that I have for you guys is that you turn on the RAM Plus feature, the feature that allows you to get additional random access memory, or RAM for short. So in order to manage and use it, enroll it, whatever, go once again into Settings, Device Care, Memory, RAM Plus, switch it on here. Select the amount of additional RAM gigabytes you would like to get, and then, what is most important, reboot your phone in order for those changes to be applied properly. And that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.